How are you, my friend? Is everything okay? We hope so, as we have a variety of daily conversations that we present to you today from the MA English channel. Press the like button strongly and subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all the content that we provide.
Jake, I have one question. One simple question.
Oh, what did I do?
Why on earth did you buy 5 bags of potatoes?
Oh, that. Look, they were on sale. Buy one, get one free.
That explains 2 bags. What about the other 3?
I panicked.
You panicked and bought enough potatoes to feed a small village?
I thought we needed them.
Needed them for what, Jake? Are we secretly opening a restaurant? A Potato Farm? Are we storing up for the apocalypse?
Okay? First of all, you love mashed potatoes.
I love them, not worship them. What else did you get?
A bunch of cilantro.
How much is a bunch?
5 bundles.
5? Jake, we don't even use cilantro that much.
But remember last time when we didn't have any, and you got all dramatic about it?
I was making one recipe. That didn't mean buy cilantro for the rest of our lives.
Look, at least I got useful stuff.
You bought a watermelon. It's February.
It looked fresh.
And the 3 bottles of mustard?
We were out.
No, we weren't. You finished 1 bottle and assumed the world was ending.
Well, now, we don't have to buy mustard for the rest of the year. You're welcome.
And what's this? Jake, tell me you didn't buy
I can explain.
a pineapple core?
It's a game changer. No more struggling with knives.
When have we ever struggled with a pineapple?
Well, now, we never will.
Oh my God! And yet, you forgot the one thing I actually asked for.
Milk,
Yes,
okay? In my defense, I got distracted by the potatoes.
Jake, I wrote it down for you.
I know, Look, I'm sorry, okay? But on the bright side, we have a lot of food.
We have a lot of nonsense.
Or we have an opportunity.
To do what? Open a condiment stand?
No, to embrace the potato life. We can make fries, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, potato soup, potato chips.
Stop saying potato.
You know what? I'm gonna make it up to you
How?
by cooking you the best potato dish you've ever had.
You're just trying to use them up, aren't you?
Absolutely. But also, I feel bad.
Fine. But if I see another unnecessary purchase like this next week, I'm sending you grocery shopping with a body cam.
Deal. Now, do you want your potatoes roasted or fried?
Both. Might as well embrace the chaos. Leah, seriously, have you seen Sarah's Insta lately? Vacation after vacation.
Tell me about it. Bali 1 week, Santorini the next. Makes you wonder, right?
Wonder. I'm practically green with envy. And her captions. Living my best life. Like, we can see that, Sarah.
Blessed beyond measure. That's her go-to now. Blessed by what? A trust fund fairy?
Exactly. Meanwhile, I'm blessed if I can find matching socks in the morning.
Don't even get me started on the couple goals pics. Perfect picnics, sunsets, staged much?
Totally staged. Remember that candid shot of them laughing? Her lipstick was freshly applied. Come on.
Oh my God, the lipstick. You noticed too. I thought I was being cynical.
cynical? Realistic? It's all a show, isn't it? Nobody's life is that perfect.
I know, logically I know. But still, scrolling through, it gets to you, right? Makes you feel like you're failing at life.
Failing? Yes. Like, am I not living my best life because I'm working and doing laundry and not on a beach in Thailand?
Right? And everyone else seems to be thriving while you're just existing. Paying bills.
Existing and battling frizz in this humidity. No exotic cocktails in sight.
Cocktails? I'm excited if I manage to brew a decent cup of coffee before work.
See? We're normal. They're Instagram normal, which is not real normal.
Instagram normal. Love that. We should coin that term. Don't be fooled by Instagram normal.
Seriously, it's like everyone's suddenly a travel blogger or a gourmet chef or a fitness guru.
Fitness gurus with abs of steel and motivational quotes that are basically just cliches.
Rise and grind. Hustle harder. Give me a break. Sometimes I just want to lie on the sofa and watch Netflix.
Sofa and Netflix is my kind of living my best life, actually. With snacks. Definitely with snacks.
Snacks are essential. Sarah's probably just photoshopping snacks into her healthy lifestyle pics.
Swipe for snacks. Now that's an influencer I'd follow.
Seriously, someone real. Someone who shows the messy bits, the bad hair days, the microwave meals.
Microwave meals are underrated. Quick, easy, and, well, they exist. That's something.
Exactly. So next time Sarah posts another blessed beach pic, we just comment microwave meal vibes.
Microwave meal vibes. Perfect. Or maybe just unfollow. For our own sanity?
Sanity sounds good, but maybe just one last scroll through her profile just to see what blessing she's got next.
Oh God, Mary. You're as addicted as I am. Okay, one last scroll, then detox. Instagram detox for the win.
Instagram detox starting tomorrow after one more scroll. Definitely after one more scroll. George, morning. Did you see Mr. Harrison trying to fix the printer again?
Lena, morning. Fix is a strong word. More like wrestling with it until it cries for mercy. Did you hear the noises it was making?
Like a dying robot walrus? Yeah, I heard it from accounting. Thought we were under attack.
Attack by paper jam. The most fearsome kind. He looked ready to throw his stapler at it at one point.
Honestly, I wouldn't blame him. That printer hates us all, especially Mondays. It's got a case of the Mondays every day.
Permanent Mondays. Maybe we should get it some Garfield-themed stationery? Might cheer it up.
Or just therapy. Group therapy for all office equipment, led by a very patient laptop.
Ooh, I'd pay to see that. Imagine the printer venting about paper types, and the coffee machine complaining about instant granules.
Don't even mention the coffee machine. It's brewing disappointment again, I see. Is that pale yellow?
Beige-ish despair. The usual Monday special. Or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday special.
Coffee flavor adjacent is what I call it. I saw Brenda from HR microwaving fish for lunch again.
Oh no, not Fishy Friday on a Tuesday. She's branching out. Bold move.
Bold and biohazardous. The smell lingers for hours. You can practically taste it in the aircon.
Flavored aircon. New office perk. Though fish is not exactly my preferred flavor profile for air.
Mine either. Maybe we should start a petition? No more microwaved fish within a 50-meter radius of office air vents.
I'd sign that. Maybe add mandatory good coffee provision to the petition too? Two birds, one strongly worded document.
Excellent idea. We could get Dave from marketing to design us a logo for the petition. Something catchy. A sad coffee bean, maybe?
A sad bean with fumes of microwaved fish wafting around it. Perfect. Will be viral petition sensations. Office heroes.
Heroes who just want decent coffee and breathable air. Lofty ambitions, I know. World peace is next on the list, after the petition.
Baby steps. First, we conquer the coffee machine and the microwaved fish. Then the world. Or at least a better brand of instant coffee.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Just surviving until lunchtime with beigeish coffee and faint fish smells is today's victory.
True. Small victories. Hey, want to risk another cup of coffee and brainstorm petition slogans? Maybe don't be beige, upgrade your beverage.
Love it. Okay, beige beverage it is. But slogans first, then maybe we secretly swap Brenda's fish with chicken tomorrow? Too much?
Too much. Definitely too much. Petition first. Then maybe just some strongly scented air freshener near her desk. Strategically placed.
Strategically placed air freshener. I like your thinking, George. Teamwork makes the dream work, or at least makes the office slightly less fragrant.
Exactly. To teamwork. And to hoping Mr. Harrison doesn't actually break the printer today. We need it to print our petition, obviously. Carl. Long time, mate. Where have you been hiding? Down at the pool again, doing your mermaid impression?
Mermaid? Please. I'm more like a human torpedo. And don't act like you haven't been glued to Anfield screaming at Sulla's haircut instead of his goals. How's Liverpool's rebuilding season going?
Rebui dash? Excuse you, we're contenders this year. Nunez? Beast mode. Meanwhile, you're out here doing what exactly? Counting tiles at the bottom of a pool?
Oh, sure, because your hobby is so intellectual. Kick ball. Run. Fall over dramatically. Swimming's an art. You ever tried doing a flip turn at full speed? It's like solving a Rubik's Cube while being waterboarded.
Sounds like you're just bad at it. Meanwhile, football's pure strategy. One perfect pass, and boom, 30,000 people lose their minds. You ever heard a stadium sing You'll Never Walk Alone? Chills, mate.
Yeah, chills from the rain while you're sitting in the stands crying over a 0-0 draw. I'd rather be slicing through water like a ninja. 20 laps in, and it's just me, my rhythm, and zero divas arguing about offside.
Divas? That's rich coming from the guy who wears goggles as a fashion statement. Admit it, you're jealous. You'll never know the glory of a 90th minute winner.
Jealous? Please. My heart rate's steady, my lungs aren't screaming, and I don't have to blame a referee for my problems. Plus, I'm in shape. When's the last time you ran farther than the fridge during halftime?
Ouch. Low blow. But okay, Mr. Olympian, if swimming's so easy, why do you look like a drowned cat after practice?
Drowned seal, thank you. Graceful, powerful, aesthetic. Meanwhile, you're over there reenacting Braveheart every time someone tackles you. Ah, my leg.
Tackles? That's called passion. Something your chlorine-scented sport will never understand. But hey, I'll make you a deal. Come to a match with me. One game. I'll even buy the scarf.
Only if you survive one of my swim sessions. I'll go easy on you, let you float in the kiddie pool with armbands.
Armbands? I'll outswim you in jeans. But fine. Deal. Prepare to have your mind blown by the cop. You'll be singing Alice, Alice, Alice by halftime.
And you better not drown in the deep end. I'll bring a lifebuoy shaped like a football. For irony.
Joke's on you, I'll carve through that water like prime Michael Phelps. Just maybe teach me the not drowning part first.
Deal. But if you start crying during the match, I'm posting it online.
Only tears of joy when we lift the trophy. And when you're gasping for air in lane 3, I'll be the one laughing.
Bold words for someone who thinks butterfly stroke is a dance move. Saturday. My pool. Don't chicken out.
Saturday? Perfect. The Derby Sunday. You'll need a day to recover from actual athleticism.
Bring it on, Klopp Jr.
See you there, Shark Boy. Don't forget your floaties.
You're the one who'll need them after I destroy you in the water.
Keep dreaming, fishman. Keep dreaming.